Hi, this is Madhu from NBT Villa, and today I'm talking about the home automation which we experienced with Homezee. And the automations was like we never experienced it before. Only when we decided to move to our villa, we thought about this automation because we have seen in many places, and we are really using it because each age person, like from my elderly parents to my friends' children, everybody is enjoying the curtain movement and the tuning lights. Because tuning lights actually set up a mood when we are having a get together or a party, and curtain is quite a savior of our time and energy because the function is very much helpful for each age person for each of the functions. And coming to the tuning lights is most used in the night, which we are using day because we do not need it in our villa. But night we have different functions, different kind of people, and nowadays like everybody is quite aware about their UV rays and also the warm lights and changing, and it just happens with one button from our phone. So we are really liking the ease of it. And it's a special thanks and a shout out to the team Homezee who actually showed us first the 3D videos and how they have done to other homes. That really made us more interested to invest in it, and maybe in future we'll invest in it more because we could not do each of the floor at the moment. But great thanks and a shout out to the team Homezee.